Hi everyone, welcome to our channel MathTech. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to restore all the archive posts on Facebook. For that, you need to head into Facebook application. Make sure to log in on Facebook account. Then tap on the upper right corner three-line menu icon. When you reach on the menu page, you need to scroll all the way down and tap on settings and privacy. So on this expanded menu, you need to tap on settings. Now again, you need to scroll all the way down and under your activity, tap on activity log. So on the top only you can see your activity across Facebook. Simply you need to tap on the small arrow like option. So on this drop down box, tap on post. Now again on this drop down box, you need to select your post check-ins, photos and videos. So here on this page, on the top left corner, you can see archive option. Simply tap on archive. So on this archive page, you can see the posts that you have been saved on archive previously or currently. So in order to restore all your archive posts on Facebook, you need to select this tiny box which reads all. Simply tap on all and your all the posts that has been saved to archived will be selected. Now on the bottom left, you can see restore option. Tap on it. So again, it has been asked to confirm either you want to restore to profile. So it reads that items you restore to your profile can be seen by the audience that was selected before they were moved to archive. So simply tap on the restore button again. So now there is no any items left on archive. That means you have already restored all the archive posts on Facebook. So I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.